Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Use 1/5 Oz can of tuna, drained. Open the can and drain all liquid, then flake the tuna with a fork. This creates a light texture that carries dressing well. Mix with 2 tablespoon mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon lemon juice to bind and brighten flavor, seasoning with 1/4 tsp salt and 1/8 tsp black pepper. Add 1/4 cup chopped celery and 1/4 cup chopped onion for crunch and freshness, and stir in 1 tablespoon chopped dill if you like an herb note. Spread 1 tsp butter on each outer slice of bread so the sandwich crisps evenly when heated. Use salted butter for extra flavor. Place 1/2 cup tuna mixture on bread and top with 1 slice of cheddar, pressing gently so the cheese melts into the tuna. Place the assembled sandwich on a baking sheet and broil at 450 degrees F for 3 to 5 minutes, watching closely until the cheese bubbles and the edges turn golden brown. Then remove and rest 1 minute before serving. Cook 200 g pasta to al dente in salted boiling water, usually 8 to 10 minutes depending on shape. Reserve 1/4 cup pasta water before draining. Toss with 1/5 Oz can tuna, 2 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and a pinch of red pepper flakes so the tuna distributes evenly and the sauce coats the noodles. Add 1/4 cup grated Parmesan and 2 tablespoon chopped parsley. Then loosen with reserved pasta water if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.